wreckage of a car crash in LA. The county sheriff's office saying he's since undergone surgery on his legs.
He was taken from the vehicle with a collar, backboard for spinal precautions. He was had the proper nature of the incident being a vehicle rollover.
Open your ears to a new world of radio, podcasts, music and news. Catch the Marty Sheargold Show and much more live or on demand on the Listener.
A-League football will return to Tasmania for the first time in 8 years.
Fuck
Western
me.
United's confirmed it's set to play 2 home games in Launceston this season. No word yet on when or who they'll be playing, but both matches could happen as soon as April. The Socceroos have withdrawn from an historic